What you are looking at is not a movie prop. It is a $100 million rolling fortress that just made every billionaire's super yacht completely obsolete. Forget basic luxury vans. Range Rover just secretly dropped this absolute triple-deck monster. It has 3 floors of pure sci-fi madness, an automated private spa, and an actual armored garage hidden inside its belly. But it's what happens on the top roof deck at the push of a button that is breaking the internet right now. Welcome back to Luxury Rides 2030. Buckle up, because today we are taking you completely inside the wildest vehicle ever built by mankind. Let's dive in. To build a moving fortress of this scale, Range Rover didn't just use standard aluminum. No, the entire body is wrapped in a military-grade carbon titanium exoskeleton. This insane material is 5 times stronger than steel, but light enough to let this massive structure cruise effortlessly at highway speeds. Just the raw materials for this outer shell cost more than a fleet of normal supercars. But here is where the engineering gets mind-blowing. Look closely at the front bumper and sides. This beast features active adaptive aerodynamics. When you hit 60 miles per hour, carbon fiber winglets automatically deploy from the lower splitters, and the massive rear diffuser shifts down to slice through the air, cutting wind resistance by 40% and giving this giant maximum stability against highway crosswinds. And check out these massive panoramic windows stretching across all 3 decks. This isn't normal glass. It's a multi-layered smart electrochromic glass system. With just one tap on your smartphone or the interior console, a tiny electric current passes through the panes, instantly turning the completely transparent glass into a solid pitch black mirror. Absolute 100% privacy from the outside world within a millisecond. The armor and the styling are pure perfection. But how on earth do you move a multi-ton triple-deck fortress without it crushing its own tires? Well, Range Rover's solution involves an engine tech so powerful it was originally banned, and 8 custom-engineered wheels that do something no normal vehicle can. Let's look at what's driving this monster under the hood.
All right, let's talk about the absolute engineering madness hidden under the chassis. Moving a 3-story mansion requires an insane amount of power, so Range Rover ditched standard EV tech entirely. Instead, they packed this beast with a next-generation solid-state battery matrix paired with a clean hydrogen hyperdrive system. This setup generates a jaw-dropping 2,000 horsepower. That's more power than 2 modern Formula One cars combined, giving this giant an infinite driving range without ever needing to plug into a wall. But how do you deliver 2,000 horsepower to the tarmac smoothly? You split it across 8 custom-engineered deep-dish chrome wheels. This massive 8x8 drive system features independent electric quad motors inside the wheel hubs. This means each individual wheel can automatically adjust its torque and speed millisecond by millisecond, allowing this gargantuan RV to handle tight city corners like a compact sports car.
And the ride quality? It's like floating on a cloud. This monster utilizes an active magnetic levitation suspension system. The onboard cameras scan the road hundreds of feet ahead, detecting potholes or bumps before you even reach them, instantly adjusting the magnetic fluid inside the shocks. You could be driving over a rocky mountain trail, and your glass of champagne inside the cabin wouldn't even spill a single drop. Having 2,000 horsepower and full off-road capability is insane. But the smartest piece of engineering isn't how this machine drives. It's what happens when you press the emergency button on the dashboard and a hydraulic heavy-duty ramp drops from the lower deck to reveal a secret feature that changes everything. Let's open the lower deck cargo bay and see what's hidden inside.
Welcome to Lower Deck 1. While ordinary luxury motorhomes give you a standard storage compartment for suitcases, Range Rover engineered something straight out of a billionaire spy movie. At the touch of a button, a heavy-duty hydraulic platform slowly deploys from the side profile, dropping down to reveal an integrated, fully functional private garage built directly into the armored belly of the RV. This isn't just an empty space,
It's an automated docking bay. The garage floor is equipped with magnetic tracks and an integrated wireless inductive charging pad. The moment you drive your supercar or luxury SUV onto the ramp, the system takes over, automatically centering the vehicle, locking the wheels into place with titanium clamps, and charging its batteries wirelessly while you cruise at 80 miles per hour. And don't worry about carbon monoxide or heat building up under your living room. Range Rover integrated an active exhaust extraction system with climate-controlled cooling ducts that instantly filter and flush out any heat or fumes within seconds. It allows you to park your multi-million-dollar ride inside a climate-controlled capsule, completely safe from the elements, thieves, or prying eyes anywhere in the world. Having a hidden garage on the first deck completely changes the game for road trips. But what if you're tired after a long day of driving and want to completely unwind? Well, you take the glass elevator up to deck 2. Because what Range Rover built inside the middle floor isn't a living room. It's an automated luxury wellness center that includes a feature normally found only on mega yachts. Let's head upstairs and press the switch.
Welcome to Deck 2, a space that completely redefines interior automotive design. Range Rover completely skipped the traditional RV living room setup and replaced it with a multi-million-dollar private wellness oasis. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is a fully integrated, state-of-the-art cryotherapy chamber. Using liquid nitrogen tech, it drops the temperature down to minus 140 degrees for a rapid 3-minute full-body rejuvenation right while you cruise down the highway. Directly opposite the cryo chamber is a massive hot stone jacuzzi built with lightweight, reinforced composite materials. It features smart hydro massage jets and volcanic hot stones that maintain a perfect therapeutic temperature. And thanks to Range Rover's advanced active stabilization tech we mentioned earlier, the water stays perfectly level, allowing you to soak in a steaming hot bath while watching the mountains roll past your panoramic smart windows.
But the crown jewel of Deck 2 is the AI holographic lounge. Forget cooking or mixing your own drinks. With a simple voice command, a localized 3-dimensional holographic bartender and private chef activates right before your eyes. This advanced AI is linked to a hidden automated dispensary system beneath the floorboards, which instantly crafts custom gourmet snacks or pours premium molecular cocktails precisely to your taste within seconds. Deck 2 is an absolute billionaire's dream, but we haven't even reached the ultimate destination yet. It's time to take the final flight of stairs up to Deck 3, the Master Sky Mansion. Because what happens to the entire roof structure of this vehicle when you hit the Skylink button is something that has never been attempted in automotive history. Let's head up to the top deck and open it up.
Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of land travel, Deck 3, also known as the Sky Mansion. But watch what happens when we hit the Skylink switch on the console. The entire carbon composite roof structure silently splits and retracts into the body side panels within 6 seconds, transforming your private master suite into a breathtaking open-air mega sky deck. It's like having a private super yacht deck traveling down the highway at 70 miles per hour. Right in the center of this open-air paradise sits a custom NASA-inspired zero-gravity smart bed. Using advanced electromagnetic levitation tracks embedded beneath the flooring, the bed subtly shifts and tilts to counteract any slight G-forces from braking or turning. It shifts your body into a state of complete weightlessness, actively optimizing your sleep cycles while you travel across entire continents without feeling a single bump. But Range Rover didn't stop there. Look closely at the rear section of the roof. It features dual landing pads housing 2 autonomous drone scouters. Launch them with a single tap, and these AI drones will automatically fly ahead of the RV, scanning the upcoming highway for traffic, road hazards, or weather changes, while sending a live 4K holographic feed directly to your master bedroom display panels. An open-air sky deck, a zero-gravity bed, and private scout drones. It truly is a billion-dollar mansion on wheels. But with a machine this massive and expensive, who actually drives it?
And what happens if someone tries to attack or breach this rolling fortress? Well, Range Rover's answer involves a Level 5 fully autonomous neural network and an EMP-proof active security system that is absolutely terrifying. Let's look at the final defense systems next.
Now, who drives this monstrous machine? No one. This beast operates on a Level 5 fully autonomous neural network. The steering wheel completely retracts into the dash as multiple laser lidars drive you safely through any city on Earth. And if things get dangerous, the entire carbon titanium shell is military grade, fully EMP-proof, and features an active perimeter defense grid that seals the entire RV into an impenetrable rolling bunker within milliseconds. With a jaw-dropping price tag of $100 million, this isn't for your average millionaire. This custom masterpiece is exclusively reserved for tech moguls and royal families who want a super yacht for the tarmac. It is officially the ultimate statement of absolute wealth and engineering supremacy. So, would you trade your luxury mansion for this triple-deck beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to keep exploring the absolute wildest, most expensive vehicles on Earth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. This is Luxury Rides 2030, and we will see you in the next ultimate breakdown. Stay wild.